Don't look at me like that. I showed you guys what I did. So today I am snacking with my family. Get ready for some hot Cheetos Doritos Locos, okay? You want to pick your favorite Doritos, ours, or nachos for this particular recipe. And you just drop it like it's hot, okay? Get a good amount of those Doritos. Because once they get with all the flavors we're about to add, even the last bite is amazing. You guys have had these, you know what I'm talking about. Well, this particular thing is more of the traditional Mexican street snacks. Once the hot Cheetos, Doritos, it's on. Yes. Let me know in the comments if you like your hot Cheetos when that chamoy lands on it. Woo! Yes. I like keeping my hot Cheetos on the outside only because they're easier to find and grab. Who's with me? Oh, I have a silent viewer behind the camera. Ooh. You know, when the doorbell rang, I was like, who's this? Dad, me, kimchi. Okay, friends, let me go over some of the ingredients that we have here. What you're trying to achieve with this particular snack is salty, savory, delicious, sourness, and spice. Does that make sense?
And a little bit of sweetness.
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, I made some barbacoa. I'll put the recipe in the description area. You guys gotta listen when I tell you it's in the description area, it is, and when it's not, you guys let me know. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and place that barbacoa right in the middle. I made my barbacoa this time out of pork. Amazing. So you can make it out of beef, pork, whatever you like. If you don't have time to make your barbacoa, make sure to make this with Chilorio, equally as good. I'll put the link in the description, and I think we have it on the Amazon store. Amazon? I still call it Amazon, I don't know. The Amazon storefront. Yes, dude. The Amazon storefront, and right there you guys can click it, and then you guys can see a lot of the ingredients and things that I use here in this kitchen, okay? So now, ooh, get ready to get your hands dirty. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our cabbage. It's like the moment of silence, right? Mm-hmm. A little bit of carrots. And some cucumbers. Apparently I'm obsessed with cucumbers. Who's excited? Are you excited now?
Yes.
Yes?
I am.
Okay. I have some roasted corn, fresh roasted corn, and some mayo, and we're gonna drop it like it's hot again. Okay, just set it everywhere. If you want this to taste extra delicious, you have to be really sexy with your corn. And don't save a piece of that corn for later in this particular scenario. Scatter it around and make sure you pick a particular spot where you can just go back and like go ham on it. Okay? That rest is for you. You like that cheese on your corn? Cotija? Bring it. Make it rain. Or make it snow.
That's always a kid favorite, the cotija.
Mm-hmm. Surprisingly, my punky loves it. It smells a little strong, but it doesn't taste like it at all. It's a nice little secret. Okay, these are called chacachacas because the train goes chaca 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 chaca.
Choo choo.
Choo choo. And well, in Spanish it's chaca 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 chaca. So it looks like a little train track. If your hot Cheetos get an attitude, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Okay. This is great because my family's been enjoying eating out of trays for some reason.
How do you describe the flavor of the chaca chaca?
I would say it is sweet, a little salty, light chili, like not spicy chili. Sweet, spicy, chili, and fruity. Yeah. Next we have some Japanese peanuts. Let me crack one open for you. Get that little crust on the outside. Your peanut. And that acts as an extra flavor. It doesn't act, it is a great flavor once you begin to devour this.
Those peanuts are so good to snack on.
You know what? In between when I'm recording videos for us, I snack on this and it keeps me satiated. I really like these. Again, in moderation, doesn't mean you gotta eat the whole bag because honestly, they're that good. Hear ye, hear ye. Here it comes. El queso. Eso, eso. All right, start piling it on. Some people are gonna be grossed out, especially when I add the nacho cheese to this kind of stuff. I don't get it. You guys should taste it before you start criticizing me.
Well, it's just like having nachos.
It is like having wonderful nachos. Put a nice pile there. And there's never enough nacho cheese, so make sure that the corners are filled. That's how you get the super mommy points. You know, a few tips that I can give the parents that their kids don't listen to them is, moms, dye your hair a bright color, okay? Get a lot of judgment for it. Dye your hair and make them snacks like this once a week. They're gonna like you and listen to you more often. I mean, that's what's been working for me. Good snacks, good food, and I dyed my hair and my life changed with them. All of a sudden they're like, yes, mom. And I'm like, okay, boys. Works perfect.
That's true. They treat me different when I do my hair.
And I do my makeup, and it's not just like for my husband because he loves me without it, but. All right, here we go for some chamoy. You ready? Mm-hmm. I have the chamoy recipe for you guys if you guys can't get a hold of it. We also have one linked in the Amazon store. Okay, so it's gonna be up to you what chamoy you want to use or if you want to use it or not. But line it up along the sides because that's what where your hot Cheetos are mostly hanging out. You can choose your favorite hot sauce for this particular one. You guys know I like Guacamaya.
What kind of chili do they use for guacamaya? It's not as spicy, right? It's more savory?
It's savory and sweet and kind of has a creamy flavor to it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
The universal salsa.
You guys don't have access. Ooh, I'm getting all dirty. If you don't have access to tajin, I have a special recipe that it's pretty close. There's nobody like tajin, I'll say it like that, or trechas, but you want to add some of this. Ay, bendito, this is amazing, yes. And that's how we're gonna enjoy these hot Cheetos Doritos Locos. Let me give it a taste as soon as this plane gets out of sight. Hey,
what's up,
I made you something very special.
Did you, boo?
I want you to enjoy it.
Thanks, babe. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good.
A ver, dale, pues,
That
get it.
camera's got me.
I was telling everybody you enjoy
Oh.
eating from like trays, you and
Yes,
the boys,
I do.
so this is gonna be great.
Look at all this.
I think I'm gonna have to make another tray for the boys.
Pepino. Cheeto.
Oh, you didn't get a cacahuate.
Oh,
Ooh, it just stuck. Ooh, chaca chaca.
okay. Ooh.
Ooh, this is so good. Ooh. Hello, honey. I better feed you because you know I'll get in trouble by the ladies. Look, I got something
Now we can
special.
see that the men get mad if you don't get fed. There
Yeah,
was one
yeah.
comment. One.
Yes, my boys came to defend me.
You mean your boy. Just one.
My boy.
Babe.
Did you see that surprise?
Hey, look there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's so good, bro.
Okay, the barbacoa really brings the flavor together. And if you don't know what barbacoa is, it's Mexican barbecue.
Oh.
I stacked that up. I wanted that piece. It's a good combo, huh?
Bana combo.
See,
Home run.
you get this deliciousness for eating good cod and salmon and your veggies.
See, it pays to be
And
a
your
good
agua,
boy.
and your agua frescas, which I'm gonna ban you from.
Why?
Cause you got too thin, boo. I don't mean to body shame you.
I was
gonna howl like a wolf.
Ooh. Never see my face. $1 million. Remember? Where's that one from? That guy. Austin Powers.
Mike
That's
Myers,
a trillion.
right?
It's a trillion?
One.
Okay, 1 trillion. I'm that
trillion.
old. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this antojito, this Mexican street snack. Make sure to leave me in the comments what you guys want to see on the channel. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!